1. Spinach. 2. Carrot. 3. Broccoli. 4. Cabbage. 5. Cauliflower. 6. Potato. 7. Tomato. 8. Onion. 9. Garlic. 10. Peas. 11. Eggplant, brinjal. 12. Zucchini. 13. Pumpkin. 14. Bell pepper. 15. Cucumber. 16. Radish. 17. Sweet potato. 18. Turnip. 19. Beetroot. 20. Lettuce. 21st. Mint. 22nd. Parsley. 23rd. Green chili. 24th. Mustard greens. 25th. Green beans. 26. Fennel. 27. Kohlrabi. 28. Watercress. 29. Taro root. 30. Chayote, vegetable pear. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content. Your support means a lot.